Today we are discussing about the data structure Q. Q is a linear data structure and it is called FIFO. FIFO means first in, first out. Or it is an ordered collection of elements with some rules. In Q, there are two opponents. Last class we have discussed the stack. Stack is having one and only one opponent, that is called a top. But here in Q, there are two open ends. Front and rear. Back end is called rear. Back end is called rear and one more pointer, that is front. There are two pointers, front and rear. Then the element is inserted at rear and deleted from front. That is, the insertion is happening at rear end and deletion is happening at front end. In Q, first inserted element is deleting first. For example, Q in front of movie ticket counter. Suppose you are coming for the ticket first. You are coming for the ticket first in front of a ticket counter. Then back of you, another person is coming. Then who will get the ticket first? You will get the ticket first because you came first. And you will get the ticket first and you are going from the queue or you are removing from the queue. That is why deletion is from front. Then suppose one more person is coming for the ticket. That person will stand at the back end or rear end. That's why insertion is at the back end or rear pointer. Then deletion from front pointer or front side. That is why Q is first in, first out. That is, Q, first inserted element is deleting first. First in, first out. Next, types of Q. There are four types of Q. Simple queue, circular queue, priority queue and double-ended queue. First one, simple queue. In this type of queue, insertion at rear and deletion at front. Insertion at rear, deletion at front. See here, in this queue, front is equal to 0. That is, the first inserted element is 10. After that, 20 inserted. After 20, 30 inserted. That is here, which is the first inserted element? 10. That is why front is equal to, in front, 10. Then in the rear, 30. Here rear is equal to 2. In position 2, 30 is inserted. Second one, circular queue. In circular queue, last node is connected to the first node. See here. Here last node is connected to the first node. Here front is equal to 3 and rear is equal to 0. Front is equal to 3 and rear is equal to 0 because this last node is connected to the first node. Third one, priority queue. In priority queue, elements is having some preset priority. Elements are having some preset priority. An element can be inserted or deleted from any position depending on the priority. See, this is an example for a priority queue. In this example, 30 and 40 is having the highest priority. Then 10 and 50 is having the next priority. And see, in this queue, 100 is having the least priority. 100 is having the least priority. 30 and 40 is having the highest priority. Fourth one, double-ended queue. In double-ended queue, insertion and deletion is happening from both the ends. That is, we can insert to both ends and we can delete from both ends. That's why it is called double-ended queue. Next, operations on queue. First one, queue. queue operation creating an empty queue. Then fundamental operations on the queue are NQ and DQ. NQ means insert an element to the queue is called NQ. Insertion is called NQ. Deletion is called DQ. In insertion, where can we insert? In rear point we can insert. In rear end we can insert the element. In NQ, rear is incremented by 1. In NQ means insertion. In NQ, rear is incremented by 1. In DQ means delete or deletion or removes the element. DQ removes the element from front. In that case, front is incremented by 1. In NQ, rear is incremented by 1. In DQ, front is incremented by 1. Then fourth operation is empty. Is empty, check whether the queue is empty or not. If is empty returns true means that queue will be empty. Is empty is false means that queue will returns false means that queue will not be empty. Then the fifth operation size, that returns the total number of elements in the queue. Next, memory representation of queue using array. Let Q is a linear array of n elements, means the name of the array is Q and maximum number of elements is n. Then friend is a pointer pointing to the element to be deleted. Friend is a pointer pointing to the element to be deleted, and rear is a pointer contains the location of last inserted element. That is, rear pointing to the last inserted element and front pointing to the element to be deleted. See here, this is an empty queue. In empty queue, front and rear will be null. Front is equal to null means queue will be empty. Then in which case queue will be full? Maximum number of elements is here n. So rear is equal to n minus 1 means queue will be full. It's an empty queue. In empty queue, front is equal to null. Then next first inserted element is 10. In this case, front is equal to 0 and rear is equal to 0. Front equal to 0, rear is equal to 0. That is here one and only one element, that is 10. Next, one more element you are going to insert, that is 20. For inserting, which one need to increment? Rear. In this case, rear is equal to 0. For inserting one more element, we need to increment the value of rear. See here, rear is changing to 1. Rear is incremented by 1. And in that position, inserted the value 20. 20 is inserted at rear point. See here, front is 0 itself, rear incremented. Because this is insertion. That's why rear incremented by 1. In insertion case, rear incremented by 1, and in that position, we can insert that element. Next, we need to insert one more element, 30. Back of 20, we need to insert 30. For that, again we need to increment the value of rear. That is here, rear is equal to 1. The rear changed to 2. That is, rear incremented by 1. And in that position, we can insert the element 30. Now, front is equal to 0, rear is equal to 2. This is the back position, this is the front end. Now, front is equal to 0, then rear is equal to 2. See, in this queue, which element is inserted first? 10 is inserted first. Q is a first in, first out list. Then here, which is the first in? 10 is the first in. So, we need to delete 10 first. So, in the next operation, we need to delete one element. That will be 10 because 10 was the first inserted element. So, 10 deleted. At that case, friend incremented by 1. In the previous case, friend was 0. After deleting 10, friend changes to 1. That is, friend incremented by 1. Now, rear is the same, 2. Friend is equal to 1. Rear is equal to 2. Next, we need to delete one more element. Which one will be the next deleting element? 20. We need to delete 20. Now, 20 deleted. At that case, friend again incremented to 2. Incremented by 1. Then now, friend changes to 2. Then now, friend is equal to 2 and rear is equal to 2. So, in this case, friend and rear are equal. Friend equal to rear. Then, what's the meaning of that? Friend is equal to rear. Friend is equal to rear means there is one and only one element in the queue. It is friend, here friend is equal to 2, rear is equal to 2. That is friend is equal to rear. Friend equal to rear means there will be one and only one element in the queue. See, in the previous case, see here, in this case also one and only one element. In this case also, friend is equal to 0, rear is equal to 0. Here also friend and rear are equal. That is why here also one and only one element in the queue. That is, friend equal to rear means there will be one and only one element in the queue. And in the insertion case, insertion means NQ. Insert an element to the queue is called NQ. Delete an element from the queue is called DQ. In NQ case, rear incremented by 1. In DQ case, friend incremented by 1.